Or just ride side by the whole time and don't scoot off ahead. Bravo Yankee Golf 809, Mike Charlie Kilo 511. We're gonna go a block past Portland.
What?
Let's go a block past Portland. So what the fuck was that? We got a full fucking lane. You wait the fuck behind. You want to know the law? Get on out, buddy. You're on camera. You're on camera. You're going to be reported to the police. That's what I thought, you fucking weenie ass motherfucker. You're a big man in that truck, motherfucker. Asshole. I bet that would have had zero effect on his reaction.
I bet it would look like not the actual.
The problem is with a culture, Jake. A culture that views someone standing up for themselves as an asshole. The person who endangers a legally riding road user as a hapless victim.